Christmas to the Happy New Year to all of us. It's almost 6 o'clock, 20 minutes to 6 a.m. here. So, as usual, daily routine of my life that I need to clean like this one. So, just give me a greetings to all the Merry Christmas. Ayun na yung mga security dyan sa labas. Sa gulo. So, ayun na naman yung favorite ko. Ano ko dyan, please. Na all this, what's that of the history here in the Baghdad. In the old Baghdad and the new Baghdad. Okay, so Merry Christmas to all Christian people in this world that are belong in the different countries. Merry Christmas. Because for the mga Arabian people, it's a Ramadan also for them. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for the support of my YT channel. Thank you very much for more blessings. It's winter already because it's December, I think. Even in the Asian countries, in the Europe and in the mga US, it's already winter time because it's the month of December already. So that is the balcony. This is still that side. That is the balcony. The another side. Okay, so in this to say good morning again, good afternoon to the different countries, tanghali to the Asian countries, good noon to the Asian countries, and madaling araw yata sa Europe o sa Amerika gabi. I don't think so. It is another time, not perfectly of the time in the different time in the different countries also. So to say Merry Christmas from my channel, from the God's El Torrillo. Merry Christmas to all of us, and love you. Thank you talaga from some blogger that you are still helping to me from the beginning, from the 1 subscriber, 1 viewers, and 1 supporter until now that I have in my channel. Thank you so much talaga, including na yan sa buong angkan of my families, nagiging party of my journey. So Merry Christmas to my employer, to my amo, to my madam, the family of madam, the friends of madam, the family of sir, the family, mga friends ni sir, so both of them, and to Sisi and our new baby that I call her Coco because my first alaga is Sisi, so I call also to my second alaga is Coco. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year again to all of us. Thank you so much. Where is my we have no more Christmas tree because they prepared the decor for the homecoming of the new baby. So that's why this year wala kaming we have no Christmas tree already. So again, Merry Christmas sa buong angkan sa hometown ko, for my mother's side and my father's side, and to all bloggers that I'm connected with them, and to all subscriber, and to all viewers and supporters, and some bloggers that you are updated in your individual channel or not updated, wherever you are, whatever you do, all of us that are still living in this earth. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas. Thank you, Lord. Now some of them, they are already celebrating and finished the Christmas, but me now it's very early in the morning, almost 6 o'clock. So Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart, from God's El Torrillo blog. Merry Christmas and Merry Christmas from all of us. Thank you and bye.